Hey guys, this is Kangman. Today I'm going to see if a computer noob like me can actually build a computer. I've never tried this, and if I can do it, most of you guys can also. This is definitely not a tutorial video. It's just to let you guys know how hard it is or easy it is in building a computer. So let's check out what kind of parts I got. Okay, so with the CPU, I got an AMD Ryzen 7 2700X. I was going to get an Intel, but the price was just too high, so I got this one. And with the graphics card, I got a Radeon RX 590. It's pretty new, and you also get 3 games with it. And the motherboard. Oh, it's a bit heavy. The motherboard, I got an ASUS ROG CROSSHAIR 7 Hero Wi-Fi version. And this is a power, and this is a Samsung 16GB RAM, and this is SSD Samsung 1TB, and this is Seagate. Hard disk is Seagate 4TB, and there's the power and the case. Okay, so let's see if I can build the computer properly. I'll be back here soon. Let's go.
6 hours later.
Yes, I just finished building my own computer. I think it took about 6 hours because it was my first time, obviously. But if I get a chance to build a computer again, I think it will take about 30 to 40 minutes. As always, the first time is always the hardest. Anyway, I've tested this computer and installed Windows. So I'll show you, I'll just turn it on to show you my CPU. Okay, there you go. Everything's working. Okay, the conclusion is, I think if I can build it, I think anyone can build a PC because it's not that hard. If you guys are like thinking of trying to build your own PC but a little bit afraid, I think you guys should try it out because it's not that hard. Anyway, that's it for today. Please give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks guys.